Marina Donner. I don't have any. In Finland, I play for Hangö IK, or Hickpingis. In Sweden for Spårvägen, and in Estonia for Mardu. To play at Europeans or World Championship. When I was a kid, I liked Gabriel Batistuta, the football player, because he played his whole career for one team and then he finally won the Scudetto, and he was a fighter. My best strength is my positive attitude. I don't give up, I fight, and I try to enjoy the game, enjoy life, and just find positive things in whatever happens. I can always improve my backhand game. It's gotten better in the last. I'd need to practice more table tennis, but with kids and work, it's difficult. My husband likes to cook. I'm good at making the wok, the Thai wok. I'm good at it. It was to my husband to help my mom with some internet issues she has at home. I don't listen to music usually before the games, and instead I try to block the noise. I often use noise cancelling, headphones. So I try to go down, and then when it's the match, you explode. Yes, remember that when you first started the game, it is because you wanted to try, and then you continued because you like it. So remember to like the game, enjoy the game regardless if you win or lose, and never lose the joy of training, the joy of competing. We do it because we like it.